Did you heard about the name Karbi? Karbis are one of the unique and major indigenous ethnic tribe in northeast India and especially in the hill areas of Assam. Many inland Karbis follow animism as their religions that has been influenced by their culture and traditions. Like Arong Kimi Christian etc. But the origin of Karbi religion is around the worship of Karbi called Se-karkli.
Arjuna Pithe, Arjuna Puthe, Arjuna Verenya, Arjuna Cherenya, Don Rike Honana, Don Kapke Honana.
Before start the ritual they do Se-kasadi in Karbi between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Performed by the priest neighbor family members, but only male can participate there. The priest then chant the language of the 100 gods, inviting the gods to be present during the rituals so that sacrifices be well accepted and all are blessed. Some of the common duties and spirits worshipped by the Karbi are Naam Ke The, Heng Fumu Karangra Sinja, Peng guardian spirits household duties, Rip Angalong guardian spirits of the Jum field or territorial duties, Riso Arnam. The called Arnam Kipu, they used Bong Chin, Bong Krok homemade alcohol rice beer and asked for blessing from the gods. In the morning, head of house and their family members wake up earlier and ready many accessories things and prepare food and different types of curry. Today I would like to saw about Karbi Se-karkli, it called Thoi-Asor. After set up all the culture custom at Dovan, they will start praying on Dovan with hen and goats. In the Karbi religious belief system, the sacred and the profane are distinguished. As you can see, here they get cleaned the area and clear and fixing the accessories what they need on small block in Karbi Dovan. The priest called Kurusar in Karbi also one right hand will be there it called Borwa in Karbi. They both are compulsory to wears white color clothes. They also have their own origin myths and tales performed in traditional verses. Hemfu, the greatest god of the Karbi, is also appropriated. The puja is performed for the welfare of the family. The beginning of the priest's prayers chants Oi Pothe Arnam, Oi Pithe Arnam, Pio Mukrangarnam, Pai Mukrangarnam. A goat and a chicken are sacrificed. This prayer demonstrates the gender neutrality of deities in chanting during Karbi rituals. The Karbi Arnam is not represented by any idol or image because it is believed to be spiritual and thus beyond visibility. During the actual ritual performance, the Kurusar priest chants the following prayer for Hemfu. They start ritual incantation of followed by Seketam. After the incantation, they will sacrifice a fowl and during this sacrifice burning charcoal is placed hijun. Then they takes out the intestine of the sacrificial fowl to see the results of the ritual called Womat Wokan in Karbi. More than 6 chicken and 2 goats will be sacrificed on the function. The priest then chant the language of the 100 gods, inviting the gods to be present during the rituals so that sacrifices be well accepted and all are blessed.
Punang nong chajun, punang chang chajun, la ala lodem, la lodem, de putin melom, de putin melom, de long ri melom, de long pas melom, munang chang.
Today, local Indati resident Thoi-Asor, a religious function performed at Indati Ham. Indati is one of the Karbi clan among 5 clans, and Ham means house.
Kiki unji kedam unji kero unji keran unji munang than mesen bukanang than mesen amunang pare pra kanang pare pra dai upai pernam so pada maso ti surya so pikang to puna muthama thama puna long ber lagi ber puna klo pada maso anu sikero anu sikeba Karbi Anglong fan Karbi Saksele ne nogir pope nok tang pope ko ne sakte peden sakti peden tang mande pada fan kero ban ke bak fan tai anna.
Again they will chopping another hen and goats before sacrificing hen and goats. They do bath for both the goats and hen with holy water.
Tang ta pu long ria nam phang pu aput ari ulo gosamu adomar dikilang deh hanam anam le anam me anam kimi anam ke chong nam rai kenang kom kenang kari kenang kalong kan anam si jo badap to dan la si jo puthemelo long ria nam paranam dan kor kadom Karbi melo nasi nang thoi ma joy ma tala ke sadia teng nei sapor teng nei sadia teng thor nei sapor thor nei la si thok se jer se kadom se ka di se tele la si ko bai da po bi bai da po la si bulu dengo usa deno apu dari dengo anam hem anam nang tu po ayu no thoi him ayu no joy him ayu no sa sapo ayu no sa bor jo ning ding ana yo ning yo na ne ar bung isi ne dori isi tani kan cho nang thoi him ada jo him ada jo nang suang se ne ar bung isi tani kan cho klema ling sita dama ling sita kia ling sita khana ling sita la ke khi ke klar nai khan ke klar nai sipong ke klar nai rumar ke klar nai thoi him ada jo him ada ne klim bi ni ke do far bi ni ke do tala ke pran me et nai ngun me et nai pran me phun nai me phun nai klem me phun nai tha me phun nai tha jo ke nai ma tha jo thang nai ta ring dog do me la alam tang ke la ki tang ke klem ma ling sita dam ma ling sita klem ke long pura dam ke long pura puru ke long pura pandar ke long pura we ke long pura chale ke long pura jo la ke sipong ke klar pura rumar ke klar pura jo ni suatum ne agung isi mo dor bar dam ji mo sor bar dam ji mo ki khi dam ji mo ke rog dam ji ta la ke jo rai dun jo kom dun jo pa phi dun jo pa prang dun I phar lem nang the I phar lo nang the la ke sima mai sita homa mai sita homa long sita rog long sita ki a ling sita ji thana ling sita lama teng nang ji kia teng nang ji be yang se nang ji sa yang se nang ji nang thoi him ada jo him ada si yo ne ar bung isi ne dori isi ki ke banong le nam hong ke banong le yo dori nang ja long le nam kam nang ja long le ta la ken kring nang no ba jam nang no ba kroi nang no ba de lang no ba ta la ke bora rong ke lang le rup ke lang le pi ke lang le pi ke lang le si nang rile sai dun thoi him ada jo him ada ta bolu me et na ji ukan me et na ji dip ke than long le china pe than long le thok pa joi long le jir pa joi long le bolu pa joi long le ukan pa joi long le El wolo na pa e pra, usa na pa e pra, kanti sab na ji, moti sab na ji, kunci cho deng pa me, kundang cho deng pa me, aput ke dag na ji, ari ke dag na ji, aput nang sirim ri, ari nang sirim chen. Ne arbung isi, ne dori isi, bol ke me na ji, kan ke me ni, klem ke me abo, tudang ke me abo, puru abo tang te, bida abo tang te. Nang dori nang jatu, nang kan nang jatu noi. Ta yo ni su atu vida cha li ke do ikha cha li ke do vida cha li do ji kha cha li do ji vida pa undu ikha di pa undu sa pa mandu sabat pa mandu ke thek le pi do sipong le pi do sipong ke klar pi no ya kong ke klar pi no orang ke klar pi no ana si yo ne men chi pu men ke ra men ave puna ana de ti pi thoi ma joy ma Thoi ma cái joy ma cái thoi ma cái joy ma cái long chal sapu long chal bora sing sakri sing burwa long burwa sing mini long mini sing minita long minita sutroba hai si men chipu bang kuru bang uta bang menang than ate de ana hulu bosa deng ana hem ana kiki ke me bor ke ro ke me bor pura bor pandar bor oe bor chale bor sita na thoi ma le ya ko ra gudi na pidona na kang tam puna kang sa puna ai we bo
Asal banggalau.
la bang sar ba la ba ala ga ke bad min baida policy jon lan kan kan ma chola thoka se jer se ka doma se ka di se kele la si jo bulu nang deng usa nang deng apu dari chu deng pa me thok me jir ke me ka dom ka di me er na yarna hem ana tôi de ke dang tôi de ke dang tôi pu nang nong cha ju pu nang chang cha ju yo ji ki pu abang yo ji ki pu abang o de sa su abang tur sa su abang mai pe abang ho tai pe abang ke the ke lang em ke re ke lang em pong ke lang em mal ke lang em pong cái lăng của em mal cái lăng của em
là cái lọc cả mút mà cái ly bột
mút nữa
After the intestine is taken for boil called kahit. Here the ritual stop for a while until the food and intestine get cooked. When it is cooked, they offers the piece of cooked intestine and small portion of cooked to the deities which are called kebo keba. They will pick the bottle from the ground and offer holy rice beer to the deities. Alangathe and split it to times equal parts and drop it on the altar until it get upside down just like dropping. Lastly they picks the sakhi from the altar and beat for 9 times to end the ritual.
Saravan pan pemarian apulina. Mabeu. Te opo tu mana tu. Te kuru bawa rosa rosa. Te jo. Adu puthe puthe.
dak mana kan kena no. Tinggal dak
Pemarian apulina.